This patient is a 24 years old female. She is a follow-up case of tubercular pyeopneumothorax. She was diagnosed as this case way back 1 year back in October 2020, and her ICD was done. The X-ray of that time is lacking, but as we can see in the follow-up X-rays, there is ICD in situ with air fluid level and this loculated hydropneumothorax. This is loculated hydropneumothorax with few infiltrates present in the right upper and mid zone. So her ICD was present for almost 8 months, and since it is a loculated effusion, so it was preventing the expansion of lung despite the ICD being present for 8 months. So her ICD was accidentally removed. This is the latest X-ray with which she has presented. We can see there is intercostal narrowing indicative of pleural thickening with loculated effusion. So ultimately, in long run, the patient will require decortication and VATS, but right now we are planning to do an pigtail insertion and see how the lung responds with streptokinase instillation. And we will keep it for 1 week or 2 weeks, see the expansion of the lung. If it doesn't expand, we will refer the patient for CTVS for surgical decortication. That is our process with which we will go through with this patient.
Okay, thank you.
Ultrasound, we can see this is the parietal pleura and the visceral pleura, and this is the loculated effusion. The effusion is minimal. This is the loculated effusion, as we can see. The black that we are seeing on the ultrasound, this is the loculated effusion. We will put the ICD at the place of maximum effusion. To do a USG guided pigtail insertion in patients of loculated effusion. This is the space where there is maximum effusion. It is present anteriorly. We will try to put a pigtail here. You can see there is a large pocket with pleural thickening. Intercostal spaces are also very marginally narrowed. Indicative of pleural thickening. This is the pleural thickening, and this is the effusion. This is a large pocket which is present. We will put a ICD here. This is present in the anterior axillary line, and these are multiple septations which we can see in tree like which are there. These are the multiple septations which are present. As previous ICD was done, we can see there is scarring present all around. As we did a USG guided USG of this patient, the loculation is present one space above the previous space in the anterior axillary line. So we will do a pigtail in that side only. What we are going, we have cleaned the area, we have draped it using sterile cloth, and then we will do, first of all, we will give a local incision. We will give a local to anesthetize the area. First is skin infiltration should be given.
So you can see diagnostic vision also.
We can see the free flow of effusion, so it confirms that our site as well as the area is underlying effusion is there.
What is the landmark for doing this procedure? Is that specific any landmark?
No, it depends on where is fluid is.
Okay.
So we have done ultrasound and located the site of maximum collection of effusion.
Okay.
So we have marked it.
मशीन बैठा है हल्का सूट कर तो नहीं होगा। हाँ बताओ का पीछे वाला मत दिखा गलत तरीका क्योंकि हम लोग का वीडियो होल्डर होना चाहिए। We are going to give a skin incision. ठीक है, वो दे दीजिए। डायरेक्टली भी दे सकती है, इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है। 15 है ना ये, तो डायरेक्टली दे दीजिए।
ये तो 50 लग इसलिए लगी। This is the artery forceps, sir.
This is the artery forceps. We are slightly dilating the skin and subcutaneous tissue and the muscular tissue so that there is no resistance.
Yeah.
This is the pigtail
Yes.
of 16 French number. It's a hollow tube in which we will instill this trocar and the needle which guides through the insertion.
Incoming call. Incoming call. Incoming call. Incoming call. Incoming call.
This is the pigtail. We can see slight tip of the needle extends outwards, which guides and helps with the smooth insertion of pigtail.
Okay.
वो इनका बॉटल बन गया है ना, बॉटल बन गया इसमें बैग
बैग
इस साइड ले आएगा, इस साइड। और ये वाला फिर रेडी रखिएगा।
बैग है ट्रॉली पे रखा, ऊपर ही रखा है।
बैग करना है तो पॉज कर देंगे।
रोक लीजिए।
We are already inside the pleural space. As soon as we'll puncture the pleural space, we will feel a loss of resistance. When we feel that, we will slightly remove the trocar, slightly put it inside, and then we will put this guide wire inside. ठीक है, and then we will remove it.
Incoming call.
खांसी करिए एक बार। We can see the effusion has started coming. It's in the space, and there is column movement which confirms the space. एक सूचर दे है, ये सूचर। इन्फ्यूजन थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया।
Start.
We will just put a suture to stabilize this pigtail. Otherwise it coils inside the pleural space, but it's better to give a suture so that it adds on to the stability of the pigtail. एक ये हाथ एक सूचर को स्लाइड कर देना है स्किन पे। We have put the pigtail. Now we will see how the lung expands and how much fluid is drained. If the lung expands, well and good. But since it's a very chronic effusion with pleural thickening and loculated effusion, the chances of it completely expanding are quite low. So if that is the case, then we'll have to send the patient to thoracic surgery for decortication and VATS, which will help with the expansion of the lung. But time will tell how the course in this patient goes on.
थैंक यू
थोड़े को तो है ही नहीं वीडियो ज़्यादा, थोड़े को बनाएंगे।
हाँ निकालिए। As the patient will sit, the fluid will start draining. छोड़ दो, बैठिए हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं बैठिए।
चलो बैठ चलो बाहर चलो।
खांसी कर देगी।
खासो का
वाला मूवमेंट है
ओके
और इसमें स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज का भी प्लान रहेगा, ये बोल रहे
जी प्लान फॉर स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज आफ्टर दैट
This is the pre-procedure X-ray of the patient, as we have already explained. This was loculated pleural effusion with pleural thickening, and this is the post-procedure X-ray. We can see the pigtail here, and the insertion of pigtail has resulted in almost complete removal of the pleural fluid. But since there is pleural thickening of the visceral pleura, this has prevented the expansion of the lung. We can see the pleural line, and here there is ear column here. Okay, multiple ear columns. So as we earlier also, as we have explained earlier also, that since there is thickening of the visceral pleura, it will prevent the expansion of the lung. So we can see that is the case here also. But the fluid has been drained, which was due to the USG guided pigtail insertion. So now we'll probably have to send the patient for thoracic surgery. So let's see the course, how the patient responds, and then we will plan.
थैंक यू